Tired of nosy neighbors? Or maybe you're worried about your pets running off? A fence might just be the upgrade your home needs. And it's not just about looks. Privacy. A fence gives you the freedom to enjoy your space without feeling watched. From tall panels to spaced slats, you control how open or private your yard feels. Security fences set a clear boundary and act as a first layer of defense. It keeps out intruders, stray animals, and even wandering salespeople. Pet and child safety. Your backyard becomes a safe play zone. No need to worry about your dog running into traffic or your toddler chasing a ball down the street. Increased property value. Yes, fences add value. A clean, well-installed fence boosts curb appeal, and future buyers will thank you. Noise reduction. Solid fences help cut down outside noise. It's not soundproofing, but it definitely makes your space quieter and more enjoyable. Wind and weather protection. Windbreak-style fences reduce damage from strong gusts. Choose designs with airflow to protect your garden and outdoor furniture. Define property lines. A fence is a visual and legal boundary. It avoids disputes and keeps your landscaping neat and organized. So whether you want more privacy, safety, or peace of mind, a fence can totally transform your outdoor life. And when you're ready to build, go with the pros who know how to do it right. Don't just build a fence, build peace of mind. Contact CAAN Fence today.